Hello, tutor and partner. My name is Lady Yamile Perez Corredor. My subject is blends. The term blending has been used in a number of different ways, usually to denote a word formation process. We combine two or rarely more than two source lexemes. There are two characteristics. And the first, there must be more than one source lexeme, generally two, as a consequence of the universal preference for binary relation. And the second, there must be prototypically the beginning of the first lexeme and the end of the second one are retired as a consequence of the universal principle of perceptual and silence. There are 6 types of English blends, and the first is total blend, partial blend, overlapping blend, non-overlapping blend, and attribute blend, and coordinate blend. Some example is email. Email is a blend between electronic and mail. Brunch is the blend between breakfast and lunch. And smoke is the blend between smoke and fog. Thank you.